Let's do now a little bit problem related to the representation of the set. And here question is saying we have to represent these all sets into the form of roster, roster form, or you can say listing method or tabular form. Those all are same. Alright, so let's go one by one. So first one I'm writing A, right? It contains the member x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -3 but less than 7. Alright, greater than -3 but less than 7, and x is integer. So you're perfect in those all things dealing, right? So it's integer, so it will be first. Integers means like 1 2 3 4, or you can say -1 -2 -3 including the 0. Alright, so it is -2 -1 0 1 2 3 4 5 and then 6. I'm not going to write 7 because it's less than 7. Alright, similarly I had not included here -3 because x was greater than -3, and that's it. So second one, B, x says that x is the natural number less than 6. So natural number less than 6. So B, suppose natural number, like see, there is no problem of order, so you can start from the 5 also, and then you can write 4, then you can write 3, right? But you know also why to go from the back. You can easily start from the first one because the first natural number is 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. You're not going to write the 6 because your natural number is less than 6 now in the given set B. Alright, so that's it. And the third one is here, x such that x is the 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Okay, we need to write 2-digit numbers like 44 with sum, you know, 4 and 4 if you add, like 4 and 4 if you add, you'll get 8. So this comes of the numbers. There are a lot of 2-digit numbers that we have to write in the set C. Okay, yeah, that was quite interesting. I like this set C. So first one, as I said, 44. Alright, because 4 and 4 if you add, you'll get 8. Similarly, you can write 26, 2 plus 6 8. Alright, so you can reverse it also, 62. And similarly 33 and 5 35. So you can write 53 also, and 71 because 7 and 1 is 8, so you can write 17 also, and 8 itself, so 80 and you cannot write here 08. You cannot write 08 because 08 it's actually 1-digit number, just 8 is there, so you have to remove this. So I think these are only the total number of elements: 44, 26, 62, 35, 53, 71, 17. Okay, I think it is right. If I missed something, then please comment just below this video. I will try to add later. So the fourth one, yeah, the D, x is a prime number which is are divisor of 60. So all the prime number which can divide the 60. All right. So D is such a set which is including all the numbers which can divide the 60, not the numbers, only the prime numbers. So 60 can be divided by 2. Alright, we're not going to include 1 because 1 can also divide, because they are asking prime numbers. So 2 is the first prime number that can divide 60. Another one is 3 times 20. Alright, another is 4, but I'm not going to write 4 because 4 is not my prime number. And 5 times 12. Alright, so next one is 6, but I don't have to write the 6 here. And then 7, no, another one anymore, no, 15, not. So these are 2, 3 and 5. These are only the prime numbers which can divide 60. Alright, to confirm, you can do the prime factorization of this. So it is 2 times 30, and again you can say 3 times 10, and again you say 2 times 5. So what are those? Finally you got 2, you got 3, and you got 5. So 2, 3 and 5 are only the prime divisor, right? Prime factors of the 60. Prime divisor or factors are the same, right? So x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So you got the set what you want. And now let's go for the fifth one. And our fifth set is E is the set of the all letters in the word trigonometry. Wow, very nice. Okay, so set E, and I have told you already the rules. No duplication with no tension of order. Alright, so first T is the member, and then R, alright, then I, and then G, then O, then N, then again O is there, but duplication we don't do, right? We don't repeat it, so we can cancel it. Then M, then E I haven't written till, I can write, and then T again comes, right? But T I have already mentioned here, so there is no need to write this T. You can cancel this, you can avoid this, alright? and then R is also already mentioned here, so I'm not gonna write that. And then Y, I've given you the rules that no duplication with no tension of order. So this is my set. Alright, my set, S-E-T, might be making wrong pronunciation, I'm sorry. Set. Alright, so the sixth one. Now F, the set of all letters in word better. Again, so F is another set which includes B. Alright, so first write B, and then E, and then T. T is repeating again, so I'll cancel this. One more time, E is repeating, I'll cancel this, and R. Right, so this is the set of better. We don't repeat the words while writing the set. I've already mentioned this is the way of representing the set. I hope you understand how to represent anything into the roster form or tabular form or listing method. And in next video we'll be learning how to represent the given roster forms. Like this concept of roster forms will be given, and you need to write those things into the set builder form, and that's very, very important. People feel that's a little bit difficult, so please don't miss that video. All right, catch you in the next video. Goodbye.